subscribers. So if you didn't already figure it out, I have 100 subscribers! Now, this is the aftermath. I promised you all that I would make a diamond play button. Now I did, yes. You can't see. We should probably get going to the making of the diamond play button. I wasn't like too phased, so I'm sorry that I wasn't like, because there were people in my house and her name is Madison. Hi. And I didn't want to like scream. So that's what that other thing was for. I'm actually concerned. We hit 100 subscribers. And as promised, I will be making a diamond play button.
Hi.
For this battle.
Wait, start over.
We have all of our supplies for this battle.
Wait, I want to hand them to you.
No! Tin foil. Oh! Snowflakes. Scissors. Slide them to me, slide them to me, slide them to me. And tape. What a wonderful loadout. So, let's get going. So first we're gonna need a base. This is gonna be so bad.
Wait, hold on. I'll be right back.
Yes. Okay, so this is gonna be our base. It's a little big, but it'll do. This is gonna be so easy. I'm gonna put in a time lapse because, yeah. Okay, so I have the base, and it's looking pretty dang good. The back's not, whatever. But I'm not gonna video any more of it because I want it to be a surprise, so. And now for the final reveal of the diamond play button. Oh. Look at that bad freaking boy. Hi, would you like to see the grand ceremony of me hanging this up? Come on. I'll show you around the place. It's very messy, but it's fine. I really hoped you enjoyed this video. Thanks for 100 subs, guys.